Hi everyone, welcome to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to delete a TikTok account. If you want to delete your TikTok account permanently since you don't want to use it anymore, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon right next to it so that you'll never miss another content from us. Open up your TikTok app and make sure you are in the home page of TikTok. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right hand corner and end up in your profile. From this page, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right hand corner. This will open up your settings and privacy menu. Right under account, tap on manage account. At the bottom of this page, you should be able to see a button that says delete account. Tap it on, and on the next page, you'll need to pick a reason why you're leaving TikTok. Select anyone and tap on continue at the bottom. If you wish to download your TikTok data before deleting your account, tap on request download and it will request a copy of your data that you've created on TikTok. Remember that if you don't do it now and proceed to delete your account, you'll lose all of your content that are stored on your TikTok. Tap request download and select a file format from the bottom. Tap on request data to proceed. Your TikTok data is being downloaded right now. After you're done downloading your TikTok data, tap on the button at the bottom left corner right here as you can see it on the display and tap on the continue button in the bottom. Confirm your deletion by tapping on continue, but before that, go through what it has to say in the display. After you proceed, it says that your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During the deactivation, you can reactivate your TikTok account anytime if you change your mind. If you wish to continue to delete your account, tap continue at the bottom. Type in your password for your TikTok account in the text box that appears. And finally, tap on delete account. Confirm your deletion one more time in the pop-up by tapping on delete. And you'll be able to delete your TikTok account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.